My name is Usha Rani. I am studying MSc Nursing first year at Government College of Nursing, Kannur. Today I am going to present a nursing education topic. My topic is continuing nursing education. First of all, we will see what is education. Education is the process of bringing about desirable change in the behavior of a learner. And education is the development of all those capabilities in the individual which will enable him to control his environment and fulfill his responsibilities. And it is a continuous and never-ending process of developing of one's innate powers. And also, as Guru Nanak said, education is self-realization and self-service. And Mahatma Gandhi also said, education is the all-round drawing out of the best in child or man's mind, body and spirit. That's all the education. What is education? It is a never-ending process and continuously from the birth to till the end of our life we will learn so many things in our daily life. Every day we will learn new things, not only going to the school or a college or something. In our daily life also we will learn so many things. And when we come to the nursing education, it is a professional education that is consciously and systematically planned and implemented through instructions and discipline. In the college or going to the nursing institutions, we will learn new things in the nursing education. It is aimed at producing trained and technically competent nurses to work in various healthcare settings and nursing training institutions. After completion of education, we will go and work in a teaching side or in the hospitals. The role of the nurse in healthcare settings or in other areas, it is expanded and extended. We are so many areas we are working, not only in hospitals, and the military nursing is there, futuristic nursing is there, and so many areas our role of nurse is expanded and extended. This is also concerned to the specialized areas, like in each department, like in medicine also there are so many specializations are there in nursing also, like ICU, theatre nursing, and also dialysis, working in specialized areas like cardiology, nephrology, gastroenterology. Several special areas are there to work and to get training, special training, and they will work in the specialized areas. First, then we come to the what is definition of the nursing education. Nursing education is a professional education that is consciously and systematically planned and implemented through instruction and discipline. It also includes all of those educational activities or learning activities that occurs after an individual has completed his basic education. After the completion of basic education, then we go for again continuing education in service itself. Suppose BSc nursing completed, then we go for MSc nursing. After MSc nursing, we go for PhD and all those things. And it consists of planned nursing learning experience beyond a basic nursing educational program. After completion of basic nursing education program, suppose general nursing is there and midwifery, then they are coming for BSc nursing, then they come for MSc nursing and come for a PhD, and continuously we are studying. Then we come to the what is the concept of nursing education means. The nursing personnel serve as a key element of healthcare delivery system. The nurses play key role in the healthcare delivery system. They are the main persons to work in the hospitals or in any other area. In order to fulfill the challenging role in the delivery of quality care, acquiring basic knowledge is not enough. Basic theoretical or practical knowledge is not enough. They have to update their knowledge to keep according to the rapid changes taking place in the science and technology. They have to update their knowledge. That's why we need in-service education. And continuing nursing education consists of systematic learning experiences designed to improve the knowledge and skills of nurses. Nowadays, since the world is fast advancing, according to their advancing in the world, our knowledge also should be updated. In case of healthcare services and practices, nurses and physicians should be updated with the latest and new practices. And this continuing education prepares nurses for the changing world. They learn the new developments and which they can apply when they are taking care of the patients. This is why healthcare providers are encouraged to pursue continuing education. This prepares nurses for the changing world. And also they can learn the new developments which they can apply when they are taking care of patients. Why do we need continuing education? Is it necessary? Yes, it is necessary. We should update their knowledge according to the changing trends in the world. The reasons why continuing education is important in the nursing career are technology, career advancement, increased opportunities, and salary also increases and requirement. If we come to the technology, means the changing technology and its uses in the healthcare industry is something all nurses should learn and adapt to the new technology. According to the changing technology, we have to also learn the new things. We also should learn the what is happening surrounding us, and they need proper training also to be able to use the new machines, software or equipment properly. Nowadays in each ICU there are so many equipments. We need technology also. Computer knowledge also we should have, and also all the machines, ventilators and pulse oximeters and the defibrillators, and what are the new technology like ACG machines, all those things also we should know how to operate those things. For that purpose we need proper training. They can also learn this from continuing education. As you can see, continuing education is very important in a nursing career. It makes nurses prepared and ready for the new challenges that they will face. And continuing education opens new doors in your career. Since you have more knowledge, you can apply for better jobs. And continuing education prepares nurses for the changing world. They learn the new developments which they can apply when they are taking care of patients. That's why we need the continuing education. And some more points are why do we need nursing education is to ensure safe and effective nursing care, to meet the health needs of population, and at the same time we also protect ourselves from the so many diseases are coming, and they are easily transmitting to the working people also. That's why we need to update our knowledge also to prevent us also. To prevent from infections, to help in career development, to help the personnel to acquire specialized skills, to prepare nursing for research also, and also in additional preparation for the position that the nurses are already holding. For the promotions also we are learning, we are doing in-service educations to prepare them for other positions, and to ensure the quality of education, to maintain academic standards, to fulfill the requirement of a high degree of skill, knowledge and competence and educational preparation. That is about the what is the need for the continuing nursing education. Then we see the what is adult learning. Adult learning means in the during the adult age group we are learning things. So suppose we once got job in the government service, and there are so many trends, new trends are coming. In service education they are providing. In case of nursing education, continuing nursing education, what is adult learning means? It is the practice of teaching and educating adults at workplace during in-service education program. The field of adult learning was introduced by Malcolm Knowles. This is a new trend. Adult education is a new area of study which involves understanding how adult learns best as compared to children and teens. Adult learning is experimental. They have freedom to learn in their own way. What is the need for adult learning? This is also important because to enlarge the cultural span of the individual, for healthy recreation and relaxation, and economic betterment and self-efficiency, for promotion purposes, for skill development, and also for career development, for increased opportunities, for all those things. We need for adult learning. What is the scope of adult learning in nursing is there are rapid scientific technological changes which have greatly affected the learning process of individuals. The purpose of adult learning is improve one's competency and knowledge due to the following factors. One is changing social trends. As the trend is changing at a faster pace, it helps to keep an individual updated with the new technology. And also we come to the population mobility, means it helps in the migrating population to adapt themselves with the new trend, and the changing roles of hospitals. The hospitals are not only concerned with the providing medical treatment, they are also engaged in their activities like research and also health statistics. Adult learning helps in updating an individual's knowledge regarding various health related aspects like mortality, morbidity, crude birth rates, specific rates, other rates and ratios. Why it is important? What are the principles of adult learning? Is there is sound relationship between the teacher and the learner, respect for learners as decision maker, safety in the environment and process, immediacy of learning, teamwork and use of small groups, engagement of learner in what they are learning, and accountability, how do they know. What is the importance of adult learning is, nowadays sometimes your lack of diploma can hold you back professionally. At that time adult learning is very important, and the adult learning helps in updating the knowledge, it helps in improving professional growth and also in productivity. It helps in maintaining the interest during work period, and too many people think that because they have attained certain age they are too old to be educated. So it's not correct. It is not true. As long as you are alive, there is still a lot than you can achieve. Whatever we achieve, there is there are so many things to learn in our world. Getting a higher education is never a bad idea. Adult learning helps in updating the knowledge. It helps in improving professional growth and also in productivity. It helps in maintaining the interest during the work period. So what is continuing education is, it is an educational activity primarily designed to keep the registered nurses abreast of their particular field of interest, do not lead to any formal advanced standing in the profession. It includes all of those educational activities, learning activities that occur after an individual has completed his basic education. It consists of planned learning experience beyond a basic nursing education program. And also it helps in them to be professionally competent and develop leadership qualities to adapt the changes taking place in their environment. And according to the changes taking place in the world, we have to update our knowledge. And in case of healthcare services also, there are so many latest trends are coming. That's why being a nurse, we have to update our knowledge according to latest and new technologies and trends. That's why education consists of, the continuing nursing education consists of a systematic learning experience designed to improve the knowledge and skills for nurses. So that's about the continuing nursing education. What is the importance, what is the introduction, what is the necessity, what is the scope for adult learning. All those things we discussed. That's all for today. Thank you.